I just got a package, so me and my two cousins is going to open it. So they said I shouldn't bang on it because it's really cute. It's not flappy, but it's thin. So let's see.
It didn't come with anything, it just came with the blankets.
And it's cute!
Woo!
So guys, that will be the end of our video, but we are going to show you another video, and maybe it's gonna be now. It's a girl, by the way. If it's cute, like, subscribe. This is the cutest video we ever made. That looks like Lola.
Look at her legs, look at the legs. It's straight. It's straight.
As I said, the dog can attack sometimes of nervousy. He said that. So we are actually going to babysit this dog. But they said he can attack. So if he attacks, we need to stay on the furniture. Because this dog is a pit bull. No, don't touch it like that. He will attack. I'm scared of pit bulls.
I have a pit bull actually by my house.
And I have a
And
dog.
she kind of bites sometimes.
And my dog, Cleo the dog.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my god. Guys, this dog's going under the bed. Sometimes dogs doesn't come out of the bed. And my dog loves going under our bed. So if my dog sees this dog, they're gonna be gone.
You will hear them even from outside attacking each other. But this dog will stay quiet because it's so young.
Yeah, but my dog won't do that because he already saw the dog. And yeah, let's show you our daily routine of we babysitting
This dog.
dog.
And it's actually the...
And the name Chocolate. But the second name is Brownie. So see you and goodbye. First of all, I did find the mini dress that will fit it. Will fit her.
Footed her.
So it's very, and I know it will fit her actually. Clear. So you're gonna put it on, guys. We're gonna just drop it on it. It's gonna be. Woo! I will be taking it for a walk soon. Okay, guys, we have started and let's show you a bit of our thing. We're not in the front yard because she can run any second. Then what is gonna happen with us? Hey guys, this is her. She is running free. Running. That's the end of our video. Bye.